So we are going to do a quick lesson on how to add fractions with like or common denominators. What this means is that if we look at our fractions 3/5 and 2/5, they both have the same denominator. We call this either a like denominator or a common denominator. To figure out how we add fractions, let's draw these as pictures. So on the left, we have 3/5. So a circle with 5 parts because our denominator is 5, and we're going to shade in 3 of them. And we're adding this to 2/5. So we can draw a circle with 5 parts and shade in 2 of them. Now we can count how many fifths do we have altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can draw a new circle, also with 5 parts. And now we're going to shade in all 5 of them. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, all 5. Now notice that we've shaded in the whole region. And notice also that all we did was add together the number of the numbers in our denominator. So we could do this without drawing pictures, just by adding 3 plus 2 is 5. And 5 divided by 5 is 1, which matches our picture of the whole circle filled in. So let's do another example. This one is 3/20 plus 5/20. We don't have to worry about drawing pictures. All we have to do is add our numerators. So 3 plus 5 is 8. And our denominator, the number of pieces that make up a whole, stays the same. So we have 8 over 20. Notice that both 8 and 20 can be divided by 4. So if I divide by 4 in the numerator and divide by 4 in the denominator, we get 2 over 5. So our answer is 2/5. Now it doesn't quite look like there's enough space for that last example, so I'm going to erase this one and write it a little higher up. So it's 1/3 plus 4/3. Now, since we have a common denominator of 3, all we have to do is add together our numerator. So we have 4 plus 1 is 5, and 5 over 3. Now, if we think of rectangles that have been divided into 3 parts, we need more than one rectangle in order to get to 5 of them. So if we shade in 5, we have all of these 3 and 2 of the second one. So that means we have 1 and 2/3 to express our fraction as a mixed number. So this has been an example of how to add fractions when they have a like or common denominator.